What if I told you there's a way to work in project management without years of experience, without sitting in endless meetings, and without being chained to a 9-to-5 office job? That role is called a project management virtual assistant, and it's one of the most in-demand online careers right now. Businesses today are running more projects than ever. Launches, marketing campaigns, product builds, but they don't always need a full-time project manager. So they hire project management virtual assistants, or PMVAs, to keep everything organized, on track, and moving forward. Let's break down what it is, what you actually do, and how you can get started, even as a beginner. A project management virtual assistant is a remote professional who supports project managers, founders, or teams by handling the operational side of projects. You're not the boss of the project, you're the engine that keeps it running. Your job is to make sure tasks are assigned, deadlines are met, communication is clear, and nothing falls through the cracks. Think of yourself as the control center of a project. Typical tasks include managing tools like ClickUp, Asana, Notion, or Trello, tracking deadlines and project timelines, following up with team members, organizing meetings and taking notes, updating project status reports, keeping files and documentation organized. You don't need to know everything, you need to organize everything. To get started, you need 3 core skills: organization, loving lists, systems, and structure; communication, clear, professional follow-ups; tool confidence, being comfortable learning project management software. Bonus, attention to detail beats experience every time. Here's a simple roadmap. Learn one project management tool really well, understand basic project workflows, practice by managing mock projects or your own tasks, create a clear service offer, I help teams stay on track and meet deadlines, start pitching to startups, agencies, and online businesses. This role is remote, scalable, and pays well because organization is valuable. If you love structure, enjoy helping teams succeed, and want a flexible online career, becoming a project management virtual assistant might be your perfect next move because chaos is expensive and you're the solution.